What is customized weekend? When we talk about weekends, Saturdays and Sundays come to our mind. That's true. However, for some countries or some businesses, these days are not the weekend days. In this video, we are going to see how to deal with this situation in Power BI using DAX. Hello and welcome to another video of our solution. Let's begin. Consider this scenario. When I was working for one of the client in Middle East, one of the customer asked me to add a slicer or a filter in an existing report. After some calculation, I added that and presented it back to users. Somehow the users were not happy with the data. I said, data is correct. So after some time, one of the user asked me, what are the weekend days for us that you have considered? I said, standard Saturdays and Sundays. He said, for us, the weekends are Friday and Saturday. Another example, for hospitality industry or hotels, the weekends are also Friday and Saturdays. Therefore, so for some countries like Middle East countries and for some businesses like hotel industries, Saturdays and Sundays are not the weekends. These are the two example scenarios. Let's head back to Power BI desktop and see how to deal with this. Okay, if you see that I have included only two tables in this model. One is your the fact table, and the other one is a date master table which I have created. If you can see that I have added a couple of columns like year, month, and month name, and a date. Okay, which day it is, whether it is a Wednesday, Thursday. Based on this date, it will indicate which day it is, Wednesday or Thursday or Friday, and so on. Okay, so our requirement is to add one more column which indicates whether that particular day is a weekend or not. Let's do that. I'll add a column, new column, and okay, I will say that, okay, this is my weekend, just a weekend, yes or no. In that case, what I'm doing, I'm just writing a if formula. Okay, if, okay, the function that we are going to use is weekday. What it returns, you have to indicate which column it is. The date tail, the first is the date column, comma. Now there are three options. One is if you want to consider Sunday as your first day. Two is if you want to consider Monday as your second day. So let's consider Monday. So what this particular statement returns is like, it will return, if it is Monday, it will return 1. If it is Tuesday, it will return 2, and so on and so on. So our requirement is Friday and Saturday. The Friday being the 5th day and Saturday being the 6th day. So we will consider that if it is returning, we have to write in formula. In that curly bracket, if it is 5th or 6th day, then it's true. Then it is a weekend for us. Then I'll say yes, else I'll say no. Okay, so I'll close it. So I'll say yes. Okay, let's check it. It's always a good practice to test it. If you have created any new formula, it's always a good practice to test it. See if you can see. If it is Wednesday, no, it's not a weekend. If it is a Friday, yes, it is a weekend. Let's filter out. Let's filter out by only you can say Friday and Saturday. Okay. If it is Saturday, everything is yes, yes, yes. Okay, that's how we can create an indicator of weekend. Let's try this. Let's try to add some visual to how I did it. Like for example, I'm adding just a simple card visual, and in that I will add sales. Okay, sales. So sales is 1 million. That's fine, but the sales is 1 million. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll add one slicer, and in that slicer as a weekend indicator I'll add. If you can say, if I click yes, if it is weekend, the values are changing, right? That's what the requirement of the customer was. And that is how you can create customized weekend in Power BI using DAX. What if customized weekdays? I mean, if Monday is not the first day of the week, or customized calendar. What if January is not the first day of first month of the year? We can deal with all such kind of calculation using similar logic. Thank you for watching this video and follow us for more such useful videos. Thank you.